Good afternoon everyone. Sa ating mga kaibigan sa media, good afternoon. And of course, to the D family, good afternoon. Eric, Sir Ricky, and of course, Raymond. Hello. Congratulations, una-una sa Mesa Group because sabi nga ni Eric, yung mission of going to the road to 100 is finally happening, hopefully by end of the year. So, congratulations sa inyo dahil kung hindi dahil sa napakalupit at napakagaling na leadership, alam ko hindi mangyayari yan. Kaya, good job, great job, and I just want to say that I am so proud and so honored to be part of this brand. Dahil nung pagsama ko pa lang sa kanila, sometimes 6 years ago, talagang noon pa lang talagang sobrang saya ko na makasama sa brand nito. Much more ngayon na makasama sa milestone of reaching 100 stores by end of the year. Pero more importantly para sa akin, mas special ang signing na ito dahil for me it also signifies officially my inclusion doon sa history ng Mesa as a brand. Dahil napag-usapan namin siguro a couple of years ago na kapag tama na yung opportunity, syempre bilang proud ambassador, kailangan talagang meron talaga akong physical evidence na parte talaga ako ng Mesa. So I just wanna announce and also tell everyone na I will soon be one of the proud partners of Branch 88 ng Mesa, which will be announced very, very soon kung saan yung location. So again, thank you for being with us and sa lahat ng mga tumatangkilik ng Mesa magmula ngayon, nilaunch 15 years ago hanggang ngayon, sa lahat ng mga pamilyang Pilipino na nakakain na dito, masaya po kami na mas marami pa pong mga pamilya ang aming mararating, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, kung hindi pati na rin sa ibang bansa, dahil sa nagbanggit kanina. I believe that we will be present in Hawaii very, very soon. So yun, masaya na po tayong lahat na talagang mas dumadami, mas lumalakas ang brand na ito at mas marami po tayong napapakain at napapasarap. Dahil may sasarap pa ba sa mesa, yan ang parating tinatanong. At siguro yun lang ay yung baso na ito. Yan ang masasarap sa mesa. So muli maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Sir Dingdong.
6 years is a long time though. What do you think is the key to your secret behind your partnership with Mesa that kept you getting your new
siguro parang parang sa mga nagluluto, parang they always give a part of themselves to every dish. Kumbaga parang kapag yung nagluluto medyo bad mood, talagang lumalabas dun sa panlasa. And ganoon din siguro masasabi ko yung relationship namin from the start. Kasi talagang aligned talaga yung values sa umpisa pa lang. Marami mga bagay na in common sa amin, pero siguro pinakamahalaga doon ay gusto talaga namin magbigay ng quality experience, quality dining experience sa mga Pilipino, especially when it comes to Filipino food. Kasi I'm a food lover, tapos sila po ay advocates of delicious food, di ba? So, ibig sabihin talaga nagtugma ang lahat ng mga gusto namin. Kaya siguro, napaganda yung relationship. And even beyond Mesa, natutuwa ako na na-develop din yung friendship namin eventually. And I'm just very grateful na tinanggap nila ako bilang isang kaibigan, isang partner at isang brand ambassador.
Thank you. And Sir Ricky or Sir Eric, what has been the impact of having a celebrity endorser on the business?
So, our restaurant group has been in existence for more than 30 years now. And it took us about 10 years to decide whether or not to have an endorser. And when Dingdong was on the table, we felt that he was a perfect person to represent the brand. We want something wholesome, we want someone who's a family man, we want someone who's humble. And like I said, never ako nagka-problema dealing with Dingdong. He's always a text away, he's always a WhatsApp or phone call away. Sometimes na siya, kung tao, hindi ko pa nasasagot eh. But, you know, it's become more than just a business relationship, but more of a friendship. So we're very happy to prolong this relationship with him and grow the brand with him.
Congratulations.
Just go to Mesa.
Hands-on, gaano ka hands-on sa pagtayo or pag-choose ng location and kung anong mga gagawin mo para.
So without getting into the details, parang siyempre sila nang bahala na. Sila sa akin lang, kasi yung school ng anak ko is located in a certain area. Sana malapit doon, mahanap natin. Para maging tambayan namin ni Maria doon kapag naghahantay kami. Kasi yun yung gusto namin talaga, may tambayan kami somewhere near the school.
And if you may top of mind ka na tatlong recommendations mo, na favorite mo or na family mo when you're eating at home?
Ay, siyempre, napanood nyo kanina eh, Christian, hindi mo mawawala yan. Yung squid, yung squid pala, talaga yung super top. Yung rendang kasi. Medyo pa rin. Yeah, yung rendang talaga. Yeah, all-time favorite ko talaga.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Luna. Question ko is, sabi nabanggit mo kanina, you're a food lover. Growing up, pwede mo i-share sa amin ano yung mga staple na nasa mga family gatherings nyo? Ano yung mga laging nang nasa mesa every time na may special occasions? Growing up, ano yung pwede mo ikwento doon?
Siguro, kapag may mga special occasions, may mga basic pala. Siyempre, yung mga lechon, hindi mawawala yan. Pero yung mga parati na lang siguro, like every Friday, siguro karamihan sa ating mga Pinoy, fish, tsaka bungko, Friday. Tapos pag Sunday, nilaga, di ba? Yung mga talagang Filipino dishes na hindi mawawala weekly sa atin. So yun yung mga hindi ko makakalimutan. Lahat yung luto na natin.
Okay, and next question is, kayo ni Marian as husband and wife, nagiging banding nyo rin ba ang kitchen na magluto together o mag-bake?
Sorry.
Nagiging banding nyo ba ni Marian sa kitchen na magluto or mag-bake together?
Well, nagiging banding siya dahil hihira siya mangyari. So kung mangyari yun, talagang special occasion talaga yun.
Okay, thank you, Ding Dong. Thank you.
Congrats, sir. Tanong ko lang, anong target natin na we're saying on the road to 100? So how many branches are we eyeing for the...
So currently we're at 80 stores, so 20 stores this year to hit our 100 store, and I think Ding Dong has committed para swerte daw store number 88.
Okay, so ito ko lang, why it took you parang 6 years para, kasi sabi mo nga inantay mo yung right tayo. Ano ba yung naging consideration mo at kumain ka na maging partner talaga sa isang restaurant?
Well, una, siyempre, marami kasi ibang franchises talaga. And alam naman natin na kailangan very strategic yung location. And nung pumasok ako, marami ng mga established partners already. And it really takes time to develop something. Hindi siya parang kasing bilis na pag naisip ko, baka in 2 months ko pwede na siyang maitayo. So talagang really takes time. In fact, napag-usapan ito years ago pa at nagkaroon ng opportunity ngayon lang. Luckily, it coincides also sa ating road to 100. Kaya sakto-sakto talaga na nagbukas din ang opportunity niya.
Lucky number mo ba yun?
Pwede, pero nagtataon din yun. Will be.
Okay, last question ko. Working alongside Mr. Ricky D and Mr. Eric D, ano natutunan mo about the food business? Any lessons you can share? What you learned from it?
Not just about the food business siguro. Entrepreneurship in general, di ba? Napakarami talagang mga insights, mga tips and advice ng pamilya nila. And siyempre, they're also into other businesses aside from food. And nakakahanga lang na makita yung experience at marinig yung success stories nila na hindi nila yung pinagdadamot na sinishare nila sa akin. And siyempre, nakikita natin yung sincerity nila na gustong tumulong hindi lang dun sa kanilang mga produkto through their products or pati na rin sa kanilang mga partners nila. Kahit sabihin natin na ako ay endorser, pero gusto nila na kumbaga yung growth ng kanilang mga businesses ay mai-share din nila sa mga tao.
Is this your first food business? Business venture?
Hindi.
Okay, thank you.
Nessa, nag-usap kayo ni Marian and gano'n siya ka-excited? Anong naging reaction nito?
Ay, oo, sobrang excited. Yun nga sabi niya, uy, mukhang dun sa proposed location, mukhang may matatambay na tayo. So talagang kailangan namin ng lugar na mapagsistilan. Multi-purpose. So dun kami siguro meeting, makikipagkwentuhan. So marami po pwedeng gawin. Sabi nga niya, pwede ba sinabi siya na,
pwede mo mag-suggest ng menu, may ganun na. Sabi ko, sige, sabihin natin sa kanila. Bakit hindi?
Excited na kami at least pang 88 store. Si Natalie Lino gusto niya sana 101. Pagpa-franchise siya. Pero
recorded.
Yeah, actually, Vicky and Eric, no, kami we're used to Mesa kasi we're always in Morato. Lagi kami nagpe-press con. Ako ang dami kong press con doon. No? Kumbaga sanay kami yung chicken binakol, yung mga yan, baby squid. No? May dapat ba kaming abangan this year na since mag-100 stores kayo, meron ba kaming aabangan mga ibang dishes na i-introduce nyo?
Definitely. So every year naman, nagbabago kami ng items. We take out items that are not moving and add new items na feeling namin that will fly. So currently, one of our greatest creations so far is our Ding Dong Noodle, which started off as having, let's say, 6 choices, pero ngayon we consolidated into 1 choice na lang. Iisa na lang ang Ding Dong Noodle, and that's becoming a superstar item in our menu.
Kailan niyo po in-introduce yun?
It's been on the menu since 2020. So maybe next time, punta pa kayo sa medyo likod na page ng menu kasi sanay ka na sa para baka hindi ka na tumitingin. But in the back area, you'll see Ding Dong presenting his boodle, and that's becoming our superstar.
Kasi kami sanay kami mga two-way lagi, mga ganun. So,
of course, we'll keep the favorites, hindi gagalaw yan.
Even your desserts, no, na ang bobongga, di ba? Pero, eto ang ganda, napansin ko nga kanina, una kong tinanong yung isa sa survey, kailan kayo nag-renovate 2023 daw. So, magiging ganito na itsura ng mga branches, no?
Yes, this is moving forward.
Mas maliwanag.
Moving forward, ganito na magiging more format ng mga restaurants. The newer restaurants na tinayo namin last year, you'll already see the new design aspect na ginagawa namin. A little more younger, a little bit more hip, more brighter, right? And this will continue on. For Tomas Morato, it's on schedule for renovation. All new. Yeah, this year. So, all new. That's actually, fun fact, that Tomas Morato was our first franchise joint venture in the Philippines. So, it's really bound for a whole new look na to look forward to that.
Sanay kami doon dahil kay Floor, kaibigan namin siya. So, eto i-maintain nyo itong basong ko.
Signature na yan.
Kasi yung sinama ko yung balikbayan friend ko sa Morato, siya kasi, naku naman matatapon, kasi alam niya, hindi pa rin kaya, di ba? Pero ang ganda ng baso, di ba?
Kailangan may talking point na.
Parang Mesa is really known for sa masarap na pagkain, yung glass mo ito, di ba? Anyways, congratulations. Yan, malapit na kayo mag-100. Yan. Thank you.